Right, so we're back outside now. I should note that when I assembled this together, it was done indoors, inside my home, rather than the outer house over there. That's because there's a bit of a tip in there at the moment, and I haven't got much space to work around. So, anywho, we're back outside. So I thought I'd just show you what it looks like and the accessories we get with it. So we have a fence over here, which is fairly sturdy. However, I'm doing this one hand here, not the easiest to maneuver. Can't remember how this differed from the older model, but it's a slightly different fence. However, once it's locked in, that is, let's see, that's starting to unscrew. That is solid. Got a mitre here. I think that's plastic and aluminium. We have our push stick. Got our protection here. This is quite neat actually. This just is detachable, so you just pull that here. I'm not going to demonstrate, but you just pull this lever here, and that just slots in that way even. There we go. And we've got our vacuum set here. So I'm just going to check the blade, pull that out, make sure that's level, and then I'll do a few cuss tests now, because I'm outside. I'm doing some cladding, so my old table saw is broken, so I could do a few rips on here and just see how that comes out.